The last concept we will be learning are collisions. A collision occurs when two or more objects hit each other, and basically there are two different types of collisions, elastic and inelastic. So in elastic collisions, kinetic energy is conserved, while in inelastic, there's a difference between the kinetic energy and before and after the collision. It's not the same. Last example for today, we have two balls. The first ball has a mass of 0.54 kilograms. It's traveling 7.1 meters per second to the right. It collides elastically with the second ball of a mass of 0.95 kgs, traveling 2.8 meters per second to the left. After the collision, what is the speed and direction of each ball? Remember, it says right and left because when it says left, it's a negative number. When it says right, it's a positive velocity. And that's why they're asking for direction, to see if it's positive or negative. We have our givens, and here's a diagram. We have two different masses, two different initial velocities, and we're trying to find the two different final velocities. Use the first equation, m1v1 plus m2v2 equals m1vf1 plus m2vf2. You also need this equation. Second step is to solve for either vf1 or vf2. I chose to solve for vf1. So I get vf1 equals vf2 plus v2 minus v1. Plug this back into this. So this all the way here, this is what you get. Complicated equation. Plug in all the values. And remember to put in all your units because it matters. It's very messy. Get a final velocity of the second ball is 4.4 meters per second. Now, you need to find out what VF1 is. Now, you go back to this equation. You know what VF2 is. You just found out. We already know what VF2 and V2 and V1 are. V2, V1. Just plug it in, and you get VF1 equals negative 5.5 meters per second. Thank you for listening today. I hope this helped.